welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are watching for the first time, hi, I'm Rohita Singh. By the title, you have already guessed what today's video is on. But if you're still wondering what Project Pan is, let me give you a brief introduction of what Project Pan is. So Project Pan is basically a challenge in which you try to hit as many as pan possible with a certain period of time. I'm starting with 12 months period. I'm starting with the January 2022 and till the end of December 2022. I will be using all these products. I'm starting with 10 products first and I will be trying to hit as many as pan possible in all of these products. The goal for every product is different and I will be letting you know that if I'm able to finish means I am able to hit pan on any other products I have in the series of the Hit My Pan project. The first product I have is from Skincare range. It is the Plum Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn Glow Restore Face Oil Blends. It's a 30 ml of product. This is perfect for anyone who have a really dry skin, or in winter days like you get a really dry skin. This is just perfect for those days. I've already used it underneath my makeup and it acts as a moisturizer. It's such an amazing thing. It doesn't feel like greasy, oily or even tacky, and I've done my makeup after I have applied it and let it seep into my skin for a good 10 minutes, and it didn't feel like I have applied oil underneath my makeup. I have a natural glow from within. This is perfect for giving you that natural glow on days where you are like tired AF, and this is just perfect for those days. And on winters, it's just a bliss to have in your night care or morning skincare routine. You can apply it on both of the times and it just does the work amazingly. I'm already halfway through and the goal for this is to hit the bottom. Like I'm gonna finish this by the end of December 2022. It's the only goal for this Plum Glow Restore Oil. I think I will be able to hit pan on this product. The next product I have is a CG Girl Hair Routine, the Curly Girl Hair Routine. I have the Curl Up Curl Moisturizing Shampoo. I also have the Curl Hydrating Conditioner and their Curl Defining Cream. I actually have a naturally curly hairs. I am 2C to 3B kind of curly hair girl. I started my CG Girl routine 6 months back and I was so obsessed by having those natural curly hairs, but I stopped midway and I stopped using all these products. The only goal is to hit and completely empty all these products and to embrace my natural curls that I already have. I actually want to finish this because I love my curls so much. I'm like literally obsessed with all the curls, but yeah, I have to do a lot of styling and I cannot use these products on those days. So I'm trying to like use it as much as I can and empty it till the December of 2022. And now let's move on to the next product. The next product I have on which I wanna hit pan is a contour stick from Sugar Cosmetics. It's in the shade Espresso Edge. The goal for this contour stick is to go halfway through, because for cream contours you don't need too much of cream contours to do that contouring and giving you that chisel look. You just need a really little amount of it and you are just done. So I'm trying to finish this as soon as possible. I already have the whole 11 months by my side, and this January being the 12th month, I think I can go halfway through, and if I'm able to hit pan, that would be a real success for me. Now let's move on to the next product. The next product I wanna hit pan is a blush, and blushes are really tricky to hit pan on because you need only a little amount and they are for a specific region. You cannot apply blush all over your face and empty it by the end of December, but I think I can able to like dig into the blush. Like please use as much as I can And this is the blush from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Coral Climax. This is the mini blush and the shade is really pretty. I use it on my every makeup tutorial. Like, this is such a beautiful shade that goes with any kind of makeup you apply on. This is an absolute for any Indian skin tone, and even on fairer skin tone. Yes, definitely this looks so pretty good and awesome. I'm really doubtful that if I can hit pan on it or not, but I can use it as much as I can, and the goal for this is to use it as much as I can, and if I hit the pan, that will be a real success for me. So wish me luck to hit pan on the blush. The next product I wanna hit pan is a highlighter. This is also a trickier one, and I have from Sugar Cosmetics. This is their mini highlighter in the shade Gold Glory. This is the same highlighter that I use in every makeup tutorial. I just love this shade. This goes really well with any Indian skin tone. This is a absolute perfect shade that goes really well with any makeup and every skin tone. This is a champagne gold kind of color. This is perfect for giving you that glow from within and won't look like chunky glitter particles over your skin. This is just perfect for every makeup tutorial, and I don't know how much I'm obsessed with this highlighter, but I just want to finish this highlighter. The goal for this highlighter is to hit pan on, but if I am not able to do that, because a highlighter is something I need only a really little amount of it, but I'm trying my best to hit pan on this. Like, I'm trying to use it as much as possible, and I have a whole 11 months by my side and 12 months being this January, so I think I will be able to hit pan or even at least use it as much as I can, because this is a really thick product. So wish me luck for this highlighter too. The next product I have is a very first purchase of mine of an eyeshadow palette. This is the Maybelline 24K Nudes eyeshadow palette. This is such a pretty eyeshadow palette. The goal for this eyeshadow palette is just to hit any one of the shade from this eyeshadow palette. I think I can actually hit the black shade, which is a really tricky one, but I have been using this black shade for my brow filling, and I am actually pretty confident about hitting this black shade on this 24K Nude eyeshadow palette. I think I can also hit pan on this brown shade, because this is a shade I mostly use on my crease line. So I think I can actually hit pan on this and this black shade. But even if I hit pan on one of the shade from this palette, I'm just more than happy. So this is the most favorite palette of mine. This is the I Heart Cinnamon palette from Makeup Revolution. This is the all matte eyeshadow palette. This is something eyeshadow palette like you should definitely have by your side, because this is all matte eyeshadow palette, and every other eyeshadow palette I know, like, they are just having shimmer shades or glitter shade or plus glitters in them, but this is a only matte eyeshadow palette. This has such a beautiful color theory going on, and I'm pretty confident about hitting one or the other shade from this palette, but the goal is to just hit one eyeshadow from this palette. So moving on to the next and the last palette. This is the Exotic Flavors eyeshadow palette from You Can Be, and this is a 48 colors eyeshadow palette. So this is the eyeshadow palette that I have been frequently using it. I just wanted to hit 3 shades in this whole eyeshadow palette, but I don't know if I will be able to hit 3 shades in this palette. But even if I hit just 1 shade in this huge palette, that will be a real success. With that, I complete with all the products I wanna hit pan on by the end of December 2022, and I'm wishing to hit pan on as many as products I can. If you love watching this video and this beautiful idea of using all the products you already have, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, see you all.